Taco Bell's Nachos cheese sauce is the perfect choice to accompany your quick snacks. Cheddar cheese, cream cheese, Worcestershire sauce, hot sauce and unsalted butter are all the ingredients you need to make the Taco Bell's Nacho cheese sauce. We will use the double boiler method to make the cheese sauce. Fill one boiler with water and put it on a low heat. Put another boiler on top of it. In the second boiler, mix cheddar cheese, cream cheese, butter and let it all melt together. And you have your cheese sauce ready. Pour in Worcestershire sauce and hot sauce. Your Taco Bell's Nacho cheese sauce is ready. Have it with nachos and your regular chips as you desire. Thanks for watching.